is Dave with the PrepperBookshelf.com, and now I've got you another, man, this is a waste of money book. You Are Going to Prison by Jim Hogshire, okay? And basically, here's this guy, and he wrote a book, and he went to, federal prison, and he wants to write a book about how to survive, in prison. And, I used to work. I worked, 4 years, I guess, in a variety of state prisons, from minimum security to maximum security as a supervisor for most of that time. And this, not a whole lot in this that I saw, okay? Hustling on the outside world, gangs, jobs, weapons, sex in prison, who's a target, what happened, escape, probation, rolling over, really very, very common sense. If you've watched any law shows or whatever, you probably know everything there is to know in this book. However, it is pretty neat to throw on your bookshelf and you get a little bit of coffee table talk because you've got a book like this. However, and I joke about this with my buddies, a lot of my Amazon.com ordering history has probably got me on several lists, and this would probably, it raises probably a little red flag. It's an interesting read. I enjoyed reading it, but I didn't really get a lot out of it. So anyway, there you go, and that's my opinion. Until next time, you can always catch us online, www.prepperbookshelf.com.